Fort Mill, South Carolina pressure washing. If you are in need of professional pressure washing in Fort Mill, South Carolina, this video covers everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. We provide driveway cleaning services to help homeowners like you in Fort Mill, SC, maintain their property's curb appeal and protect against damage from dirt and grime accumulation. Our team offers sidewalk and porch cleaning solutions to remove tough stains and restore these critical areas to a safe and inviting space for family and friends. We're experienced at cleaning patios, decks, and fences, which can get damaged by weather conditions or neglect, resulting in costly repairs that our services help avoid in Fort Mill, South Carolina neighborhoods. From driveways to sidewalks, we use eco-friendly equipment and techniques to power wash your property's exterior surfaces without damaging them, leaving a like-new appearance that enhances your home's value. At Pressure Pro, our team takes pride in being locally owned and operated in Fort Mill, South Carolina. We understand the importance of maintaining property values in this growing community. We invest heavily in state-of-the-art equipment to ensure our pressure washing services are safe and effective for your home or business. We offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate your busy lifestyle, from one-time cleanings to regular maintenance contracts. This ensures your property stays looking its best all year round. Our team is fully trained and insured, providing you with peace of mind as we work on your property. We're committed to excellence in our work, every time, every visit. We believe in being good neighbors by working responsibly and minimizing environmental impact. Our eco-friendly practices help preserve Fort Mill, South Carolina's natural beauty for future generations. We understand that maintaining a property in Fort Mill, South Carolina can be challenging, especially when it comes to dealing with tough algae growth on patios and walkways. Our team at Pressure Pro knows how important it is to tackle these types of issues before they become major problems, saving you time and money down the line. Regular pressure washing helps prevent damage from dirt and grime building up over time, keeping your property looking its best for years to come in the South Carolina climate. We're committed to getting the job done right the first time, so you don't have to worry about coming back later to fix mistakes. We strive for perfection every time. Professional pressure washing removes stubborn dirt, algae, grime, and organic buildup from property exteriors, leaving every surface looking fresh, clean, and fully restored to excellent condition. If you are looking for pressure washing in Fort Mill, South Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates and scheduling for your exterior cleaning needs today. Click the link below to learn more